more on the practical. So basically, the problem is we have here that will be a function that we want to run, and we want to create a username property array. This we create the username as first name in lowercase, where the last name in lowercase, and the figure created by subtracting age current year 2020. Make sure that your function delivers the correct birth year indicative of when it will be executed. For example, it should also work in 10 years. Oh, we gotta go back. Oh, you know what? We can't do this one. These are all going to be find the average age. Oh, it is in Python. Okay. So, all right. So this is a 7. K1 is a slightly easy age. You will be given a sequence. Yep. All right. So let's take this. I got my Jupyter notebook here. That in, and then, let's actually start it. I don't know what we're doing, but okay. So get the age. I kind of like this. Okay, so then write the code right here in the function. Okay, you're giving us like that. Function that returns the average age of developers rounded to the integer. A few things. An integer, not a float. Rounded to the nearest integer. Okay, so what I'm thinking is you can kind of do something. Let's just take well, actually, let's do a comprehension. So it's like age here is the format. So this is what we're doing through this. And this is a list of dictionaries, right? Each one of these is a dictionary. So we're going to look through this list, and we kind of age for X. Okay, so that's gonna be a list of all of the ages, and then we want the average. Is there? No, there's no average. Do is just take the sum of this. Like we could do sum. This. Okay, so we took the sum, and we're just gonna divide by 2. Did floor division. I think that's what I want. Let's just see what it does. That's 50. I think that might be it. Just it. Alright, it passed. No. Oh yeah, it passed. Okay. Now we're in trouble here. More like test cases. Alright, first one 9 should equal 19. What happens is obviously there's actually what we could do. We should yeah. So let's just see if this helps get us there. Okay, so we're getting close. Still not right. So let's get there. Oh, here we go. It would be cool like there's just like a copy button, just like easily copy, and then also like you sort by like which ones you failed. Show all, wait, failed. So 36 showing. It seems like it would just display failed ones, but it's all right. So now we want. So it's just gonna do this 6, 50. All right, let's just print this. What we get when we do 9, but. It's a rounding error, isn't it? I have a feeling we're not rounding correctly. 9.9. That's the issue, right? So, how So the syntax is pretty easy. It's like, okay, that makes sense, right? I didn't know that existed, so rounding the sum, we're just basically finding the average. What's this? Yeah, okay. Let's see this. Oh, there it is. All right, so we just took the sum. For X in list, this is a generator comprehension. Woodley is faster than like a comprehension, so it's faster than this, right? Because we don't actually need the string values in a memory generator expression is a memory basis, I believe. I'm not an expert, but I think it's faster. So, and then we're just taking the number of items in this list. Basically, we're taking round. Round is to the nearest integer, I guess. Let's try. Oh. Okay. I hope I submitted the correct answer correctly. So that satisfied? Yeah. Okay. All right. So here's my solution. Yeah, it's exactly what I did. So we'll make it clever. And you can also import Panda. Yeah, that makes sense. And it's got all those methods, I should say. Verbose, a lot of lines. And the function here is cool. This is interesting. It's like is L is like the list, I guess. We do the same thing we did. It's the list, the length of the list, it's very similar. Statistics. There's a statistics package. I didn't know that. I guess I assumed that would be. Cool. Well, pretty good.